Hey everyone, my name's Miranda and I'm an intensive care unit nurse in Charlotte. You may have noticed that I've been doing a lot of baking and cooking lately as a form of self-care. Today I'm back in the kitchen with my boyfriend and our state cinematographer Dylan, and we're making a really simple Atlantic beach pie. You may even have all the ingredients in your pantry already.